Welcome back to the channel. Today's ride along gonna be a little bit different. It's gonna be minimum edits. Usually I like to take a lot of time editing my videos, get it nice and curtailed. I'm gonna try to just keep this one off the hip. We're shooting from the hip today. I'm gonna try to keep the edits down to a minimum. I'm just gonna holler at y'all and let y'all know what's going on. So today I've been out, I think about 3 hours now. Not the best day. I only made like 50 or 60 bucks. Let me go ahead and check. I'm actually waiting on a Walmart Spark order right now. This one is $13.47 for 2 orders, 5 miles. We do got a little incentive going on right now, and it is gonna be over with today. So if I complete 8 trips, I get an extra 40 bucks. 12 trips, I get an extra 70 bucks. So that's probably why a lot of the orders are like small today, not the greatest of orders, but that's okay. I'm trying to get that extra 70. Well, I'm really trying to get the extra 40 if I can. I got 3 trips towards my 8 done so far, and I'm picking up number 4 right now. So hopefully I can get that done. I'm pretty sure I can, but it's already it's already this time, and I might not be able to get 4 more trips done tonight, but I'm gonna try my best. But let's see. So for today, I did do 1 Uber, but it was just like a really small order. It didn't even make a difference. I did a $24.89 order and a $29.33 batched order. So with that right there, we looking at what, 55 bucks, 54 bucks on those 2 batched orders. Then I got this $13 order. So yeah, like I said, we're gonna be looking at about, you know, 60, almost 70 bucks for the first 3 hours once I get this next order done. And it's been kind of slow today. Once they, you know, a lot of times when they have incentives and promotions going on, you see a lot less good offers. I don't know if they let the customer know it's gonna be it's gonna be a promotion, or if they do the promotion in anticipation that it's gonna be a lot of no-tip offers. But it really don't make me a difference. It's just, I find that when we have like March Madness or a holiday, it just takes longer for the employees to bring those orders on out. But nonetheless, I'm sitting here waiting on this order. It's a couple cars that pulled up since I've been here, you know, so they actually starting to get a little bit busy. I was the only one here when I got here. But yeah, this day's been going kind of slow. No DoorDash today. I'm over here in Illinois, and I was scheduled in Webster Groves, but I didn't make it over there because I started doing Walmart Spark over here. When it comes to DoorDash, it's no tip, no trip all day long. Don't accept the offer that does not have a tip on it. But let's talk about Walmart Spark for a second. When it comes to Walmart Spark, I just can't help but yawn whenever I turn the camera on. Like, I don't even be tired, but when I turn the camera on, for some reason, my body just tells me to yawn. It's like it just needs something that needs to be edited out. It happens every single time. Look, when it comes to Walmart Spark orders, from my experience, what I've noticed is these customers tip after the fact a lot on Walmart Spark. I've got probably over 3,000 deliveries on DoorDash, and probably, 3,000 would be on the low end, because with all the different accounts I done had, I'd probably say at least 5,000 on DoorDash. And I know I got, on this Uber Eats account that I got right now, I got 2,000 plus on there. So like the point is, when it comes to food delivery, you do not see a whole bunch of after the fact tips or cash tips. But when it comes to Walmart Spark, man, these customers, they actually care about the drivers. You know, even the EBT orders, even the alcohol orders, you way more likely to see an adjustment at the end of your weekly pay when it comes to Walmart Spark. So I go to check my earnings tab, right, on my Walmart Spark app. Coming to find out, I done earned the extra $100 in tips, and most of my orders last week was all .com and batched orders. So this is why I say this. Look, I share with you my experiences and what goes on, and I give you the information so it can help you make an educated decision. Don't take a no-tip offer when it comes to DoorDash, but if you have orders that don't have tips on them on Walmart Spark and the miles to money makes sense, Walmart's good at the base pay. So when orders are declined on Walmart Spark, they do go up, and they go up by enough to make them profitable in a short amount of time, right? Even those orders, they are getting tips added to them after the fact. So what I'm trying to tell y'all is, get that money. Don't be scared of these batches that don't have tips on them right away. Don't be scared of the .com orders. I dropped off a 6 order Sam's Club batch Walmart Spark order 2 days ago. It took 2 days for all the money to come in and everything to be processed. Every single one of those Sam's Club drop-offs gave me at least a $2.50 tip. And I accepted that order on the base pay. So whatever they showed me, which I think was 39 bucks for 21 miles, I accepted at least $1 per mile when it comes to miles to money ratio. And then after the fact, I'm in a whole nother work week. Now I'm getting tips off of these orders I already delivered. That's why I am encouraging all my drivers, all my gig economy workers, I'm encouraging you to sign up for Walmart Spark. I know I see a lot of comments on my page. People always telling me, hey, I signed up for Spark and it's busy. I signed up for Spark, I'm on the waiting list. I signed up for Spark, I'm waiting on my background check to come through. Look, hold fast, hold tight, because it's worth it, I promise you. Walmart Spark is where it's at. These customers taking care of us when it comes to, you know, tipping good and making sure that the time that we spend on these orders is worth it. Like, Walmart Spark for the win. So look, if you ain't already signed up, I need you to check it out as soon as possible. I'm currently getting my Walmart Spark order right now. We're gonna go ahead and get this one delivered. This one is a double order. So one of the orders is actually only a mile away from this Walmart. Really close drop off. And then the next one is the far delivery. That's gonna be the big one. That one is actually going probably about 7 miles up, no, not 7 miles, 5 miles up the road, because it was a 5-mile delivery. So the 0.9 is probably right here. Part 2 of the order is going 5 miles up the road, and then hopefully we can grab another order bringing us back this way. I'm noticing that they have a lot of orders dropping at that 45-minute mark on the hour. So if we can get both of these done, double on back, maybe we can get our next order and keep these wheels rolling. But if not, we will turn on Uber Eats or DoorDash if we can get a spot on the schedule. DoorDash is kind of finicky with the schedule, but you don't have to worry about that with Uber Eats. You can click it on, get in there whenever you want. And the same thing with Grubhub. But it's been a lot of issues going on with Grubhub lately. I don't even know if I'm still good. I forgot my password, I forgot all my login credentials, and they might have got rid of me because I've been getting rid of a lot of people. So we're gonna check out Grubhub later on. But with Walmart Spark, Uber Eats, and DoorDash, I'm good to go. They must have just heard me talking, because we just got an order, $11, 6 miles at KFC. So now I'm about to slide up to KFC and grab that, because look, these Walmart Spark orders are going in the same direction. First drop off right here, second drop off 5 miles down the road. Let's get this money and show you how it's done. Hilarious. I literally was just here for a batch order. Alrighty, let's head up into KFC. Look like they holding this order hostage. That's probably it right there. They're holding it hostage. Dropping off this Uber Eats order. Nice big old bag of KFC. Nice big old bag to a nice house out in the middle of nowhere. Perfect. Well, front door service. Boom, there we go. Now we got about a 9-minute drive to my second part of this Walmart Spark order, which is the alcohol part of this delivery. Let's get it done. Verification for an alcohol delivery. So heads up, gotta scan that ID when you're doing an alcohol delivery. Alrighty, so gotta verify that ID when you're doing Walmart Spark deliveries. And it didn't want to let me scan it, but we was able to verify it. I entered everything manually. Got my next order already. We got $14.49 for 1 mile, shop and deliver. And we heading right back to that same Walmart. It's perfect because I didn't want to wait for an offer. Hold on, I'm going straight. I didn't want to wait for an offer, so I'm glad I got this one as soon as I got done with that one. And I can actually might have a chance at getting this incentive now if I keep these orders rolling through like this. So it's been an hour since I picked up that Walmart order. We got those 2 orders done and an Uber Eats order, bringing that total for that hour to $23. Not bad. Now we finna shoot on back. We got a $14 order, only 9 items on this one, so I'm about to knock it out. I be kind of scared of them shopping delivers because anytime it's anything over like 10 or 15 items, it takes too much time for me. So with it being 9 items, it was perfect. 1 mile away, let's get it done. And on the shop and deliver, it just asks you to confirm the items, you know, confirmed you got them all, the ones you shopped for, and then just want you to take a picture. Boom, easy as that. Nothing to scan, no barcodes like when you get one of the express delivery orders, but it's all good. So now we got that done. Let's see what we get next. This last hour has been pretty good though. The orders been coming in. I was able to multi-app and do an Uber. Hopefully we can keep that going because I still got about 2 hours of prime time until everything finna start closing up. So let's go ahead. I just completed that one. Hopefully they send me something right away. That's what you want, really. You want another order right away or something on another app to keep your wheels rolling. All right, family, I just swiped another shopping delivery at Walmart. Didn't even have to navigate back to the Glen Carbon one. We right back at the Wood River. I think this one had 15 items, but it was like, they sent it to me and I was like, you know what, the mileage is so low, I gotta take it. We only got 3 miles on this one, y'all. 22 bucks, 3 miles. So it's all up to me. How fast can I get this shopping done? And how bad do I want this money to get my hourly rate up to 35? Let's drop off this next shop and deliver. Woo, couple items on this one, but it's all good though. Front door service, no apartments. Now hopefully, I'm pretty sure I'm over my $100 goal with this order, but it ain't dark yet, so I'm gonna see if I can get one more. But if not, I am okay heading to the crib. No, I'm gonna have to sit these right here because they front door don't open all the way. I don't wanna sit the groceries in the spot where they gonna open them, and then it's gonna knock everything on the ground. So we just gonna leave them right there. Yeah, so like I said, I think I'm pretty much over my goal, but it's not dark yet. So if I can get one more order, we rocking with it. Alrighty, man, I think we're gonna make it. I actually think we got a good chance at making this incentive this time. I got $19.65, a little stacked order, a double order, 5.7 miles. Like, let's go. These last couple orders, like, it's been 4 or 5 to 1 miles to money ratio. Like, let's go. That's the type of miles to money ratio you need so that you can keep the miles low but the profits high. Let's go. I'm in spot number 15. Hopefully they come out with this thing quick, because I need one more order to hit that extra 40 bucks. And that's a full tank of gas right there. Let's get it. Dropping off this Walmart Spark. Get this easy money real quick. Alrighty, now we got one more on this Spark delivery. And then we just need to get one more batch done so we can get that sweet $40 incentive. Let's go. If we got $9 even for 5.7 miles. Now look, that's still 1 to 1 miles to money ratio. And look, I normally wouldn't even take a stack like that, because when I do the doubles on Walmart Spark, I normally see over 17 bucks for each offer. But check it out. With this being the last one I needed for the incentive, I knew it was gonna be some funny business, because it always is. You can never just get 8 orders straight in a row. They always throw some type of monkey wrench or loophole in there. And this one, like, it took me 20 minutes to even get another order. And I was like, you know what? I probably gonna not be able to hit the incentive because they not sending me nothing, even though I know the Walmarts is still open. Well, guess what? I got lucky. They sent me a low offer, but that's the last one I need to get that additional 40 bucks. So I'm good with it. So this is actually like a $49 order, basically, because without this order, I ain't hitting the incentive. So I gotta look at it like this order is my incentive. It's only $9 5 miles, but if I add that 40 bucks in there. Alrighty, so look, I gotta make this quick. My GoPro about to die. I got one more order, $9. This one will give me that incentive. I don't know if that last clip got deleted, but look, if you made it this far, you the real MVP. I think I made like 130 today, and then an extra 40 with that incentive. Let's go. Look, try out some Walmart Spark. Use it to hit your goals and multi-app. And look, if you made it this far, I appreciate you, and I'll catch you in the next one.